Welcome to Goa 365 News Now. I'm Anjali and these are the headlines. Askao's infamous bad roads dominated Sunday's Gram Sabha. Panchayat says it will seek legal solution after repeated written complaints to government fails to bring improvement. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addresses 112th episode of his Mann Ki Baat program, highlights India's achievements, lauds Indian team's success in the International Mathematics Olympiad. Rainfall activity likely to ease off over the coming week as IMD downgrades weather alert to yellow. June-July see above average rainfall. Nuwe Gram Sabha members make several key resolutions impacting governance, cultural affairs, call for inclusion of Roman Konkani script alongside Devanagari. And now for the main story. In the Nuwe Gram Sabha on Sunday, villagers made several key resolutions impacting local governance and cultural affairs. The community members called for the inclusion of Roman script of Konkani alongside the Devanagari script in the Official Language Act.
The villagers of Nuwem voiced strong opposition to the Sunburn festival, joining the long list of adversaries in South Goa. They cited concerns over the event's impact on local communities and the environment. The meeting also addressed pressing local issues, including the growing problem of stray dogs. The villagers committed to taking action to manage and reduce the dog menace in the area. Furthermore, they opposed extensive land conservation efforts, arguing that such measures adversely affect local residents and their livelihoods. The community also demanded compensation for Nuwem farmers who have suffered losses due to recent heavy rains.
They wanted to abolish what is called as 17(2) of the DCP Act and also Section 39A. चडशे फ्लडिंग बीन जालें नुवे आनी चडशे फिल्ड्स सायटी कन्वर्ट जालो एक सिनियर सिटीजनान आमकां ऑलरेडी सांगिल्लें देखून that about 68,000 area is already been converted in Nuwe village, which he pointed out to the villages of Goloi and of Patyapur also. So seeing they are saying that those two sections have to be abolished. Besides that, we had dog menace which has been created in the village, and ST schemes की काय ते programs ते आमकां सांगचे म्हूण गांवांत तें एक application आशिल्लें. Also application with regards to sunburn, which they said they opposed the having of the festival in the state of Goa, which was unanimously passed, and that's it. Most of this things. And Romi Lipi Lagun, एक along with Devanagari scheme, that आमची special status which grant करची. फार्मर्सा लागून चडशे डिस्कशन जालें एक फावटी आमकां एक एग्रीकल्चर रिटायर्ड एग्रीकल्चर ऑफिसर आसा आमचे नुवे विलेजीन आनी ही हेज एक्सप्लेन टू अस की आमगे हुंवार कितू पाट येता तो विलेजीन आनी हे फावटी हुंवार जाल म्हणटाय तो 4 फावटी जाल म्हूण सांगिल्लें आनी त्या कारणाक लागून जायतीं शेतां एट द सेम टायम एग्रीकल्चरल डिपार्टमेंट इज टेलिंग अस टू हॅव मेकनायज्ड फार्मिंग and at the same time government is also having to look at how this flooding is taking place. So that was been brought before us. Agricultural loss झाला त्या कारणान हांवें सांगलां आमगे पंचायतीन एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंटा समोर बसता आनी तेका तुमी एप्लिकेशन हाडून दिवचें तें सांगलां आनी हेंयी सांगलां तेणें की गेल ते वर्साचें बी कॉम्पेन्सेशन आजून गव्हर्मेंटान पावोना. सो दॅट वॉज ऑल्सो द प्लीड ऑफ द ग्रामसभा ऑफ नुवे फॉर विथ रिगार्ड्स टू द फार्मर्स.
TCP सेक्शनाचे थोडे डिस्कशन जालें ना 17B आणि
39A चे डिस्कशन जालें. They are opposing to it. That is, they are saying that the filling up of all these lands has to be completely in conversion जातलें आनी बंद करपाचें. They are opposing it because they are saying that चडशे प्रोजेक्ट्स येताय कॉन्क्रीट स्ट्रक्चर्स यूज जाताय आनी हे फ्लडिंग बीन जातलें त्या कारणाक लागून. And they are saying 11th schedule of the constitution is not been taken into consideration, where our suggestions have been invited but nothing was been put on to paper. That is what the Gram Sabha is saying.
According to the constitutional rights, we have a right to decide for ourselves. Clean environment, water, disaster management, health, protection from elements of society like sunburn and all this is not our culture. This is not our way. This is being pushed on us. People from outside Goa are teaching us that that is our festival. It is not touristic also, because tourists are nobody to tell us what we should do in our land. You see us for what we have, our own culture. आमचो शिगमो, आमचो क्रिसमस, आमची जात्रा, आमची फेस्तां, हे आमचे दायज आनी हे आमचे कल्चर. I'm happy that all Gram Sabha members unanimously passed a resolution which we want for our village and for our God.
सेक्शन 17(2) आणि 39 हे आसा तेजो नो हेचेर कितें इफेक्ट जातलो?
सेक्शन 17 to 39 हे आमकां कळून काय येना, आमी सोदून काडपाक जाय. कित्याक गव्हर्नमेंट आमकां कितेंच बरोबर सांगना. आज करेक्शन जाता, कोणे एप्लिकेशन दिला तांचें नांव खबर ना, सर्वे नंबर खबर ना, कितल्यो जागा ती खबर ना. म्हणटरी आमी RTI घालपाचें, म्हयनोभर रावपाचें झक मारीत आनी ते सगळो शोध लावपाचो. म्हणटरी हे चोरी करता म्हणून ते आमकां सरळ उकडेपणान कशें कितें तें सांगना. आतां आमकां कळून आयला हेंचो फक्त भांडवलदार आनी रियल एस्टेट लॉबीक लाभ पावोवपाचो ह्यो सवलती करून दिता आनी कायदो हाडटा.
गोंयच्या वेगवेगळ्या गांवच्या ग्रामसभांनी एकठांय केलोले थाराव रेझोल्युशन्स आमी दिल्लींत आसलोल्या लिंग्विस्टीक मायनॉरिटीज कमिशन हाच्या कमिशनराक दितले. थंय हाचे ते विचार करतले, भासाभास करतले आनी भारताच्या राष्ट्रपतीक ते धाडून दितले. अशें करून आमी सरकारा लागीं कांय स्पेशल अशें मागना, फक्त आमचो फंडामेंटल रायट मागून घेतले. समजता हो प्रश्न तुमकां समजला आनी हांव एक ग्रामसभेक विनंती करता, रोमी लिपीक मान्यताय दिवंक एक ग्रामसभेंत थाराव पास करतले आनी ग्लोबल कोंकणी फोरमाक तुमचो पाठिंबो दितलो, तांचो फाव फुडें व्हरो.
Sandeep Tuekar, Manish Parab and Vaishnavi Salgaonkar for Goa 365.
The issue of bad roads dominated the Gram Sabha in Asgaon held today. Despite being one of Goa's prime real estate locations, the roads in Asgaon are among the worst in the state. The condition is so poor that buses are forced to seek alternate routes, leaving residents without reliable public transport. Additionally, the Gram Sabha saw the passage of the villagers' budget. Here's more on the story.
The Gram Sabha saw a lengthy discussion on the ongoing work for underground cabling and water pipelines that has left the roads severely dug up, causing significant inconvenience to commuters. Buses are frequently forced to divert their routes, making it challenging for villagers to reach their destinations on time. Despite numerous complaints on the panchayat, the contractor responsible for the work continues at a frustratingly slow pace.
रोडाचो इश्यू आसलो, तो रोडाचो इश्यू फाटले मिटिंगेक सेम इश्यू आसलो. तेन्ना आमी एक VDC कमिटीची एक मिटींग घेतलेली. VDC म्हणजे ज्यो पंचायतीच्यो ज्यो कमिटी आहा सगळ्या कमिटीची मेळून एक VDC कमिटी फॉर्म जाता आनी त्या तर्फे आमी एक मिटींग घेतलेली रिगार्डींग रोड जे डिगींग केल्ले केबल घालपाक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट आनी दुसरे डिगींग केल्ले वॉटर पायपलायन PWD हेंच्यांनी हो सारको रोड पिड्ड्यार केल्लो आहा. म्हाका दिसता तुमच्या तर्फे एक 2-4 व्हिडियो आसगांवचे व्हायरल जाल्ले आहा आनी रोडाची परिस्थिती सारकीच खराब जाल्ली आहा. आमी डे 1 पासून तांकां सांगताले बिफोर मनसून हें काम कंप्लीट जावपाक जाय, इतकें सांगून तेंच्यांनी केलें ना. तेचे नंतर आमी MLA वांगडा कितकेशे मिटिंग्यो घेतल्यो, येई येयलो, JE येयलो, PWD JE, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी JE सगळे डिपार्टमेंट हांगा येयले. म्हटल्यार काम करपाचें कोणूच पळयना. तेन्ना आमी तांकां ऑलरेडी आमी रिटर्नूय धाडलेले आहा पंचायतीचे तर्फे. जर तुमी हें काम करिना म्हाका दिसता दुसरो रिमांयडरूय तांकां धाडलेलो आहा, नाल्यार आमी हायकोर्टान PIL फायल करतले. जी पायपां घातल्या कारणान थंयसर सुरळीत पाणी वचना आनी हे सगळे आमी ऑलरेडी डिसायड केल्ले आहा मिटिंगेक. आयचे मिटिंगेक हांवें सगळ्यांक सांगलेलें आहा आमचो PIL फायल करपाचो प्रोसेस चालू आहा म्हणून. म्हाका दिसता नेक्स्ट वीक आमी PIL फायल करतले हायकोर्टान आनी तेच्या नंतर जे कोर्टाचे जे डिसिजन आसतले त्या हेच्या डिसिजना प्रमाणे आमी फुडें वयतले.
सगळ्यात व्हडलो मेन डिस्कशन जालो ते आमच्या गांवचे जे रस्ते तेजे सद्याचे कंडिशन आहा जे खंयच्याच लोकांक आवडना. सगळे लोक येवन आमकां इचरत असतात आनी आयजूय परत तो सेम क्वेश्चन येयलो. तर सरपंचान तांकां आयज सांगलें की जे आमचे प्रोसेस जे आहा ते रस्ते रिपेर करपाचे तांकां आमी लेटरां केली. तेज्या उपरांत आमी डिपार्टमेंटाक बरयले, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी PWD तेंचे कडसून आमकां आजून कांयच तशें आन्सर मेळोंक ना किंवा तेंच्या कडसून आमकां ते कामाचें कांयच जावंक ना. आनी जेन्ना लास्ट ग्रामसभेक जेन्ना सरपंचान सांगलें की आमी हेजेर आतां PL फायल करतले तेन्ना एक कोण कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर येयला आनी तो आतां काम करता पूण तेजी स्पीड सारकी कासवाच्या स्पिडीन जी कासव चलता तशें काम चालू आहा आनी आतां चवथीचे दीस आहात. इवन आमच्या लोकांक इतलो प्रॉब्लम जाता बसी ह्या रोडासून येयना लोकांक चलोन अंजनच्या रोडान वयचें पडटा 2-3 किलोमिटर तांकां चलोन वयचें पडटा दुसऱ्यो बसी धरपाक. सो सद्या हे कंडिशनान लोकांकूय जाय की आमी तेंचेर PL फायल केल्ली आनी VDC कमिटीचो चेअरपर्सन आहा तेंच्यांनी VDCची मिटींग घेवन सगळ्यांनी ठरयलां की ते PL फायल करचे.
In addition to addressing the road issue, the Sabha also saw the passage of the village budget with the consent of the locals. This development marks an important step in ensuring the financial planning and resource allocation for Asagaon in the coming year.
आज बजेटीची ग्रामसभा आसली तेन्ना सुरळीत ही ग्रामसभा जाली कारण हेच्या पयलीं 1 म्हयनो पयलीं आमची जी कोड ऑफ कंडक्टान जी ग्रामसभा पेंडींग आसली ती फाटल्या म्हयन्यान आमी घेतली आनी एका म्हयन्याच्या हेतून आमकां ही दुसरी ग्रामसभा घेवची पडली. तेन्ना जी बजेट आसलें ते बजेट सगळ्यांनी आमकां सपोर्ट केलो बजेटाक आनी बजेट पास करून घेतलें आमी. बजेट जी आमच्या सेक्रेटरीन जी रीड केली सगळ्या लोकांनी ताका अपोज करी नासतना मान्यता दिली.
Nitiksha Gaokar, Subhashish Govekar and Vaishnavi Salgaonkar for Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. In his 112th episode of Mann Ki Baat, Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed several significant topics, emphasizing India's achievements and ongoing initiatives. Modi lauded the Indian team's success in International Mathematics Olympiad, where they secured a spot in the top 5 among 100 participating countries.
PM Modi mentioned the ongoing Paris Olympics, noting that it presents an opportunity for Indian athletes to showcase their talents and represent the nation on a global stage. He urged the public to support and encourage the athletes as they prepare to compete in one of the world's premier sporting events.
इस समय पूरी दुनिया में पेरिस ओलंपिक्स छाया हुआ है. ओलंपिक्स हमारे खिलाड़ियों को विश्व पटल पर तिरंगा लहराने का मौका देता है, देश के लिए कुछ कर गुजरने का मौका देता है. आप भी अपने खिलाड़ियों का उत्साह बढ़ाइए. चीयर फॉर भारत.
The Prime Minister also highlighted Project Pari, which aims to popularize public art by bringing emerging artists together and beautifying public spaces. Additionally, Modi announced that Assam's Charaidev Maidam is set to join the UNESCO World Heritage Sites list, marking the first such designation from Northeast India. He encouraged citizens to explore and appreciate the historic site, known for its cultural significance as the first capital of the Ahom dynasty.
असम के चराईदेव मैदान को यूनेस्को वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट में शामिल किया जा रहा है. इस लिस्ट में यह भारत की 43वीं लेकिन नॉर्थ ईस्ट की पहली साइट होगी. चराईदेव का मतलब है शाइनिंग सिटी ऑन द हिल्स, यानी पहाड़ी पर एक चमकता शहर. ये अहोम राजवंश की पहली राजधानी थी. अहोम राजवंश के लोग अपने पूर्वजों के शव और उनकी कीमती चीजों को पारंपरिक रूप से मैदान में रखते थे. मैदान टीले नुमा एक ढांचा होता है जो ऊपर मिट्टी से ढका होता है और नीचे एक या उससे ज्यादा कमरे होते हैं. ये मैदान अहोम साम्राज्य के दिवंगत राजाओं और गणमान्य लोगों के प्रति श्रद्धा का प्रतीक है. अपने पूर्वजों के प्रति सम्मान प्रकट करने का ये तरीका बहुत यूनिक है. इस जगह पर सामुदायिक पूजा भी होती थी.
Modi's address also touched on the successful promotion of handloom products, noting their growing popularity and integration into a sustainable fashion. He mentioned the government's effort to support the handloom industry and celebrate National Handloom Day on August 7. Furthermore, he reiterated the government's commitment to combating drug abuse through the newly launched Manas Center, which provides support and information for rehabilitation.
सरकार ने एक विशेष केंद्र खोला है जिसका नाम है मानस. ड्रग्स के खिलाफ लड़ाई में ये बहुत बड़ा कदम है। कुछ दिन पहले ही मानस की हेल्पलाइन और पोर्टल को लॉन्च किया गया है। सरकार ने एक टोल फ्री नंबर 1933 जारी किया है। इस पर कॉल करके कोई भी जरूरी सलाह ले सकता है या फिर रिहेबिलिटेशन से जुड़ी जानकारी ले सकता है। अगर किसी के पास ड्रग्स से जुड़ी कोई दूसरी जानकारी भी है तो वो इसी नंबर पर कॉल करके नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो के साथ साझा भी कर सकते हैं। मानस के साथ साझा की गई हर जानकारी गोपनीय रखी जाती है।
Manish Parab and Omkar Deshprabhu for Goa 365.
An enormous wildfire known as the Park Fire continues to ravage USA's California at an alarming rate. The blaze, suspected to have been ignited by arson, has already consumed over 348,000 acres of land and remains completely uncontained. The fire has become one of the largest in the country. Here's more on this.
The Park Fire, which erupted on Wednesday, has become the largest wildfire in California this year. Authorities believe it started when a burning car was rolled into a gully near Alligator Hole in Butte County. Over 2,500 firefighters are now on the front lines, battling flames fueled by steep terrain and strong winds. CAL FIRE Incident Commander Billy C. reported that the fire has been spreading at a staggering rate of 5,000 acres per hour. The fire has forced the evacuation of several communities, including the small town of Cohasset, and has already destroyed 134 structures, with 4,200 more at risk. Governor Gavin Newsom has declared a state of emergency in Butte and Tehama counties. Despite some relief from lower temperatures and decreased wind speeds on Saturday, the fire remains a formidable adversary. In a dramatic twist, authorities have arrested 42-year-old Ronnie Dean Stout on suspicion of starting the fire. Stout is accused of blending in with other residents as he fled the scene of the rapidly spreading flames. The Park Fire is just one of many wildfires currently burning across the United States and Canada. In Oregon, a firefighting pilot tragically lost his life in a tanker plane crash, while in Canada, the historic town of Jasper faces destruction from a large wildfire in Jasper National Park. Subhashish Govekar and Sangeeta Oli for Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The Dwarka Gram Sabha convened on Sunday to address a range of local issues. Key topics included calls for inclusion of Roman script for Konkani, concerns over stray dog menace, and objections to amendments in the TCP Act 39A and 342 related to land conversion. Additionally, the Gram Sabha voiced its strong opinion to the Sunburn event.
मेन मुद्दे इल्ले म्हणटा ते रेजोल्यूशन गेले म्हणटा ते आमी रोमी स्क्रिप्ट टू सपोर्ट रोमी स्क्रिप्ट आमची रोमी स्क्रिप्ट जी आसा न्हू that should be given or granted official script status along with Devanagari script. सो आमचो हो एक रेजोल्युशन मेन रेजोल्युशन आमी गेला सगळ्या लोकांनी एकठांय जावन युनॅनिमसली हें रेजोल्युशन गेला. दुसरो मुद्दो म्हणल्यार स्ट्रीट डॉग मॅनन्स जे आसा गांवांत तेंय बी सॉल्व करपाची गरज आशिल्ली. सो पंचायतीन आमी एक इनिशिएटीव घेतला आनी एक ABC कमिटी दॅट इज एनिमल बर्थ कंट्रोल कमिटी रजिस्टर केल्या. आनी ही कमिटी रजिस्टर जाली म्हणटकूच वी वील सायन अप विथ GWAT. आमची जी जितली स्ट्रे डॉग्स आहा गांवांत तांकां स्टरलायज करपाक वॅक्सिनेट करपाक आनी हे भाशेन ते मॅनन्स जाता ते भाशेन कंट्रोलान हाडपाक. आनीक दुसरो मुद्दो गेला म्हणटा तो ऑर्नमेंटल स्ट्रीट लायट जे आसा ते जेन्ना लुइजीन फालेरो बाणालेचो आमदार आशिल्लो तेन्ना हे इन्स्टॉल केल्यो सुमार 30 years पयलीं. आनी त्यो दे आर नॉट मेंटेन्ड आनी सामके ते डिलिबरेटेड स्टेट म्हणटा ते भाशेन लांबता. कोणाचेर पडोन कोणा जीव देखून वचपाक शकता. इट इज अ रिस्क टू द कम्युटर्स फ्रॉम कावोलोसी टू मारगांव. सो आमी एक वरस जालें वी आर गोईंग आफ्टर डिपार्टमेंट इलेक्शन डिपार्टमेंटाक लेटर केली, मागीर तुगेले MLA लेटर केली आनी वेगळे वेगळे डिपार्टमेंटाक घाली म्हळ्यार अजून कांय एक्शन जावना. सो आमी सगळ्यांनी रिजॉल्व केला आतां दिस टायम वी ऑल्सो सेंड अ लेटर टू द कलेक्टर रिसंटली. सो हेजेरूय बी हो मुद्दो येयल्लो. ओके, इट इज कॉजिंग अ बीग रिस्क टू द कम्युटर्स. आनीकूय इश्यू येयल्लो म्हणटा तो TCP एमेंडमेंट करपाक खंयचो एक्ट तो 39A आनी 134(2) फॉर लँड कन्वर्जन. सो हेजेरूय बी आमी विरोध केल्ले आसा.
सनबर्न
हय, आनी एक इम्पॉर्टंट विसरलो सनबर्न. ऑल्सो वी आर युनॅनिमसली अपोजींग सनबर्न. कित्याक सनबर्न म्हणल्यार फकत ट्रान्स म्युजीक आनी ट्रान्स म्युजीक म्हणल्यार ड्रग्स आनी ड्रग्स म्हणल्यार ट्रान्स म्युजीक. दीस इज कंप्लीट इंटरकनेक्टेड विथ इच अदर. सो वार्का विलेज पंचायत has strongly opposed South Goa as a venue, not only South Goa, even Goa for that matter, as a venue for sunburn.
The Varka Panchayat launched an initiative to support children facing reading difficulties in Konkani, English and Hindi. The center is designed to help children build a strong foundation in these languages.
We have taken the initiative of starting a center in the Varka Panchayat Hall. Okay, this center is a very good center which is in Bonda, Habit 365. Okay, this center is for children with reading difficulties. So they can have reading difficulties in Konkani, English, Hindi. So this center helps you with the foundation of the language. So the ones who have reading difficulties can come out of this problem. Like my own son was in the center and he has improved. So that's why I thought, why not we give this facility to our Varka villages. And if you go to the center, the cost is higher. But thanks to our Varka Panchayat that they have decided to give a free hall for our villages. And we are going to start off the center in the Varka Panchayat hall with our village school first. So I would love every villager to take advantage of this and improve their reading skills.
Ramesh Naik Raut, Manish Parab and Omkar Deshprabhu for Goa 365.
And now for the weather. Following 3 weeks of torrential rain, IMD has forecast a slight reduction in the monsoon's intensity. All weather warnings have been downgraded to yellow for the coming week in lieu of moderate rainfall forecast. Monday could see some periods of sunshine. However, citizens are advised to exercise precaution when heading out. Here's more on the weather.
In the last 24 hours, the southwest monsoon has been weak over Goa with light to moderate rainfall occurring in most places. Observations recorded include widespread light to moderate rainfall and thunderstorms, though no heavy rainfall or gusty winds were noted. For the period from June 1st to July 28th, North Goa received 2,965 millimeters of rain, significantly above the normal 1,904 millimeters, while South Goa recorded 2,730 millimeters, also above the normal 1,834 millimeters. The temperature in Panjim and Mormugao observed minimal changes, with both maximum and minimum temperatures slightly above normal at about 30 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius respectively. Warnings have been issued for fishermen along the Maharashtra-Goa coast, advising against venturing out due to squally weather with wind speeds reaching up to 55 km per hour. High wave warnings are in place for the North and South Goa coasts, with waves expected to reach up to 3.8 meters. Yellow alert in effect till August 1st. Moderate to heavy rainfall likely. Some areas likely to see sunshine. July sees above average rainfall. Maximum and minimum temperatures for Monday 30 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius respectively. Boat owners advised against venturing out to sea. High sea wave warning issued for Goa coast. Bureau Report, Goa 365 with inputs from IMD.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. And for more news and updates, log on to our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube, Goa 365 TV. Take care, stay safe, and keep watching Goa 365.